Indian Air Force touch the sky with glory. The Indian Air Force pilots guard our skies with great panache. Pride in their force is writ large on the faces of the officers, and for the first time ever, Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant, who is one of the first 3 women fighter pilots of the country, is here as a part of this tableau, a matter of great pride for all of us. The tableau features models of some of their best aircraft, light combat aircraft, light combat helicopters, the Su-30 and the Rohini radar. And this is the DRDO tableau. Research and innovation are the key to the future, and DRDO's mission is to make India self-reliant in defense technologies to meet the future with all its might. 2 tableaus showcase DRDO's achievement. The first one shows a major stepping stone for the development of futuristic naval aircraft. The Indian Navy's first indigenous 4+ generation fighter aircraft that have state-of-the-art lethal missiles and laser-guided bombs and drop tanks. It is capable of taking off and landing from short runways in all kinds of conditions.
Next, we have the tableau of the anti-tank guided missiles being led by Sir Romick, a young scientist of the Defense Research and Development Organization.
And the second anti-tank guided missiles as a part of the DRDO tableau. DRDO has developed anti-tank guided missile systems which play a crucial role in targeting armored tanks. These are full-scale models of some of its indigenous missiles. These missiles are lock before launch, fire and forget, which means once the target is locked, the missile will ensure it hits its target on its own. Featured here are the man-portable anti-tank guided missile, the Nag, Helena, standoff anti-tank or SANT, and the anti-tank guided missile for Arjun tanks. All of these have been developed by DRDO. The military might of India from all angles.
हमारी समुद्री सीमा के रक्षक भारतीय तटरक्षकों का दस्ता डिप्टी कमांडेंट आशीष नागर के नेतृत्व में उनके साथ हैं असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट एस देविगा, असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट यामी गोडुला और असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट पी कार्तिक राव। भारतीय तटरक्षकों ने 2020 में एक बड़े अग्निशमन ऑपरेशन को सफलतापूर्वक करके दुनिया भर में प्रशंसा बटोरी है। इनका आदर्श वाक्य वयम रक्षामः। सीआरपीएफ का बैंड इंस्पेक्टर शमशेर लाल की कमान में 100 संगीतकार धुन बजा रहे हैं। देश के हम हैं रक्षक। केंद्रीय रिजर्व पुलिस बल का दस्ता असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट नीतेश भदौरिया की कमान में। सलामी मंच के सामने 96 सदस्यों का दस्ता सीआरपीएफ दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा और सबसे पुराना अर्धसैनिक बल है। इस बल को कई सम्मान प्राप्त हो चुके हैं और इसका आदर्श वाक्य है सेवा और निष्ठा। शौर्य भी, संगीत भी। हिमवीरों यानी ITBP का बैंड इंस्पेक्टर दिवाकर प्रसाद की कमान में धुन बजा रहा है, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
Marching smartly to Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja, the perfect Edi Panja roll going past the saluting base. The marching contingent of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police saluting this is their aim today, to go past it with flying colors, led by Assistant Commandant Dinesh Kumar and 3 subordinate officers and 96 other ranks. These brave and tenacious sentinels of our northern borders operate like snow leopards. And following these snow leopards, we have the Delhi Police Band. Bandmaster Sub-Inspector Rajinder Singh leading the band, playing the Delhi Police Anthem. Following their band, the proud contingent of the Delhi Police. Assistant Commissioner of Police Akshat Kaushal IPS leading the smartly attired men from the Delhi Police marching contingent. All the members of the contingent are above 6 feet in height. This contingent has a unique distinction of participating in the Republic Day Parade ever since India became a republic in 1950 and has been adjudged as the best marching contingent 14 times. The motto of Delhi Police, Shanti, Seva aur Nyay. And now a stunning ride of color and beauty, a graceful and visually melodious sight. Going past the saluting base. The camel contingent of the Border Security Force under the command of Deputy Commandant Ghanshyam Singh. These regal camels of the BSF or ships of the desert are dependable companions in the inhospitable terrains of Rajasthan and the Rann of Kutch. It would be interesting to note that 75 different dress items are necessary to ceremonially dress camels and riders of the BSF. The motto, duty unto death.
राजपथ पर सीमा सुरक्षा बल के ऊंट दस्ते के बाद अब बारी है सीमा सुरक्षा बल के ही कैमल बैंड। दुनिया में अपनी तरीके के अनोखे इस दस्ते का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं बैंड मास्टर सब इंस्पेक्टर बोधराज। ये दस्ता धुन बजा रहा है, हम हैं सीमा सुरक्षा बल।